So we got 130,000 views. We had 711,000 views here. Another 467,000 views, 675, 228, 1 million views. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lázaro Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So in one of my most recent videos, I talk about how Mike Tyson was making over $100,000 per month on Facebook. And if you want to go watch that video, I'm going to put a link to that video in the description below so you can see for yourself how Mike is making a lot of money on Facebook. And so this gave me the idea of looking for other celebrities who are making a lot of money on Facebook using their brand and their audience to make money with multiple Facebook monetization tools that are available right now. And the number one way that these celebrities are making a lot of money on Facebook is using video. Specifically, we're talking about in-stream ads or video ad breaks. These are the ads that play during a video when you're watching videos from your phone. Now, the good news about this is that you don't have to be a celebrity or you don't need to have millions of followers on Facebook if you want to make money using video. In fact, I have a complete course called Facebook Income School with over 40 videos that can teach you how you can build, grow, and monetize Facebook pages in any niche and how you can make money with your own videos. And even if you don't create your own videos, I even teach you how to use other people's videos to make money. We have a private Facebook group where people just like you are making money on Facebook and learning how to build massive followings, making a lot of money using Facebook video. And this is exactly what Snoop Dogg is doing on Facebook. He's making money using other people's videos. He's not actually monetizing his own videos. I'm going to show you in detail the strategy that he's using. So for that, we're going to need to jump into my computer right now. All right, so this is the official page for Snoop Dogg on Facebook, and as you can see, he has 35 million followers on his page. So we're gonna scroll down and we're gonna see exactly what type of content is he posting. Not only is he posting content related to whatever projects he has going on, but we're gonna start seeing some videos that have nothing to do with his personal brand. Like this video, for example. Notice that this video has 421 likes and it just says credit and the name of the actual owner of the video. Now, why would Snoop Dogg post a video about concrete on his page that has nothing to do with his music, his movies, or anything related to his project? The main reason behind that is that he's making money from these videos. This is basically because of Facebook in-stream ads. Facebook in-stream ads allow you to make money by placing ads on your videos. Here's another video right here, and as you can see, there's a link to the owner of the video. Again, a video that has nothing to do with his brand or anything related to one of his upcoming projects. But if we go to his video page, we start seeing the whole picture on why he's doing this. So we get all these 3-minute videos, and the reason why these are all 3-minute videos is because the minimum requirement in order to place an ad on one of your videos on Facebook is that your video needs to be at least 3 minutes long. So that's why all of these videos are over 3 minutes long, and they have nothing to do with Snoop Dogg's or his brand. Like this one right here, it says laser to removal, 145,000 views. Then we get another one for 1 million views. Then we have another one for 500,000 views, 600,000 views, 189,000 views. And if we keep scrolling down, you're going to see a bunch of other videos. Some of the videos are actually posted multiple times. That's mainly because they are proven to work and they get views over and over again. So that means he's making money from the same videos multiple times. So if we take a look at some of the videos that were uploaded yesterday, you can see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 videos that were uploaded in a single day. So based on the amount of followers that he has on Facebook with over 35 million followers, I'm guessing that he's getting anywhere between $5,000 to $10,000 per day based on the amount of views that he's able to get on a daily basis. So at the end of the month, he might be getting 150 to 200 million views from using other people's videos. The good news is that you don't have to be Snoop Dogg to do this yourself. You can do this with your own Facebook page, and even if you don't have a massive following of 35 million people, you can still do this with a single page that has just about 10,000 followers. Just about learning the process of how to grow a Facebook page and reaching out to video owners who want to give you access to their videos. He's basically just using other people's videos and providing credit. This is something that I teach in Facebook Income School and what I suggest a lot of people to do, because not a lot of people have money to license videos. So it's a lot easier if you have a massive following like Snoop Dogg to reach out to someone and say, listen, I'm going to share your video on my Facebook page and I'm going to give you credit to whatever it is that you want to promote, whether that's your YouTube channel, your Facebook page, your website, your Instagram. All you have to do is give me permission to post your video on my page. And of course, people are going to say yes. And by doing that, he's able to get a lot of different videos every single month without having to pay for them, which means all the money he's making from his videos are basically profit. So this is what Snoop Dogg is doing to make over $5,000 per day on Facebook. And of course, you can definitely do this yourself, not necessarily making $5,000 per day, but if you utilize this strategy, you can definitely make an extra $50 to $100 per day. So as you can see, Snoop Dogg is taking full advantage of the Facebook monetization tool, especially when it comes to videos. And if you want to learn yourself exactly how to monetize your Facebook pages and make money with your videos, all you have to do is go and watch this video, which is going to show you exactly what are the requirements that you need to meet in order to qualify for monetization. With that said, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.